Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, can you drop off your shipments to the Amazon FBA warehouses? Alright, so before I answer the question, I want to quickly let you guys know that I've just added the second episode to the Amazon FBA exclusive content that I have in my course on Skillshare. For those of you who don't know, this is an Amazon FBA Canada course, and you can get access to this course. The first 2 months are free, and I've been adding exclusive content to that every week only in that Skillshare course. So if you want to check that out, head to the description down below. So I get this question all the time. Can I drop off my Amazon FBA shipments to the warehouse facility I live nearby? And when I first started with Amazon FBA in Canada, I actually had the exact same question too, because they have a fulfillment center here in Delta and it's not too far away. And I was just like, let me save on shipping. Let me see if I can drop it off over there. So I actually called up the Amazon seller support and spoke to them. And no, it doesn't matter how close you live. They will not be accepting any shipments from anyone who goes over there to drop it off. And if you think about it from their perspective, you can see why they don't want us coming over there. 'Cause can you imagine, hundreds of people showing up every day with their shipments? It would probably be chaos. Amazon wants things to be systemized, streamlined, and that's why they only accept shipments from proper carriers like UPS, Canada Post, people like that. So unfortunately, it does not matter how close you live to a warehouse fulfillment center, you are not able to drop off your shipments to save on shipping. Just wanted to create a separate video just for this question because I get this question all the time. And remember, when you guys are creating your shipments in your Amazon dashboard, and this is for Amazon FBA in Canada, you can use UPS, which will have much lower rates. You don't need to use like Canada Post separately. You can actually create your shipment within the Amazon Canada dashboard and then click UPS, and it's going to create your shipping label that you put on your box, and then you can just drop it off directly at UPS and it will go directly to Amazon. So that was it for this video. Again, if you guys want to check out my exclusive course on Skillshare, I'm adding new content to that as frequently as I can, and I've been doing things that are kind of out of the box, sharing with you products that I've personally done well with and other strategies that I actually haven't shared on this channel. I just uploaded to it about 2 days ago, and I did an entire video on a website doing online arbitrage, and I've actually never shared this website before online or in public, and it's an online source if you want to do online arbitrage in Canada. So feel free to check that out down in the description. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.